Hey guys, for those of you who met with me last week, you know that we talked about this week kind of ramping up a little bit and trying a little bit of new learning, or really just some stuff that we started doing before we left school back in March. We're going to work on some systems of equation stuff, and I think today's first lesson will be a pretty easy one for you. Um, I think you'll do pretty well with it, and I'm just going to give you one problem because they're all really pretty much the same. Okay, so you're going to get a problem like this. It's going to say is 2, 10, so the coordinate point 2 comma 10, a solution. Sorry for my horrible handwriting. Okay, to this system. Okay, and they're going to give you two problems. They're going to give you one that looks like this, and they're going to give you one that looks like this. Okay. Let me erase that. Y equals x plus 8. Okay. Now, back up here in your coordinate pair, remember this is your x, this is your y. Okay. I know you guys know that. All right. And basically what you're doing for each of these equations, you're just plugging in these two numbers into the equations, and if they both fit, then you're going to click yes or no. It's all it's asking this problem. So, is that a solution to the system? If it fits for both of them, yes, it is. If it only fits for one of them, no, it's not. Okay, so let's try this out really quick. If I put this here, okay, that's a 10, right? So y equals 10. And if I bring this 2 down as my x, right? What's 4 times 2? I'm just replacing for this equation here, okay? Plus 2. Well, 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10, okay? So in this case, yes, it works because 10 equals 10, okay? I'm going to go down here now to this one. I'm going to plug in again. Here's 10 for y. Again, I'm just doing this from the top, okay? I'm going to plug in 2 for x. Just substituting there, okay? And bringing down my plus 8. Remember, I'm going with this equation here. Does 10 equal 2 plus 8? Yes, it does. So in this case, they both check out. And you're going to just click on yes for this one, okay? They're all yes or no. Your skill for today is level J. AA, so you're going to go to the AA section, .1, okay? And you're going to go to a score of 85, all right? You should watch this video, refer back to it if you need to, but again, it's just asking you, does this point here, does it work for both equations or just one? If it's both equations, you click yes. If it's one equation, you just click no, okay? And we're going to do some graphing in the next few days to kind of show you basically what this is asking you to do overall. Okay, thanks.